Yeah, huh. Yeah, huh. Alright, chat. Put this all the way up. Put this all the way up. October 8th, 1984. I saw an ad in the newspaper about a house sitting job. Since I was short on cash, I decided, me too, gang. Oh, this is loud, actually. This is too loud. Hold on. Alright, that's good. Hey, man. Hey, man. Excuse me, I'm trying to find a house on the street. Could you help me? Sure. Which house are you looking for? I'm looking for Maxim's place. He hired me to look after it while he was away. Maxim? Huh? That's interesting. He usually asks me to watch his place. I'm Marco Batasovsky, by the way. Nice to meet you, Marco. Can you tell me where his house is? Of course. It's 2 houses down. Mine's right here. Our neighbor Savo in the middle. And then my place. You can't miss it. Thanks, Marco. Appreciate it. No problem. Now, if you excuse me, I just got my home automatic system in the mail. I'm really excited. Oh, that sounds interesting. What does it do? Why am I asking? Well, it's supposed to make life a whole lot easier. You know? Controlling the lights, temperature, even security system. Pretty cool stuff. Wow, that sounds convenient. Why, oh, bro, why am I asking so many questions? Why'd you decide to get it? Partly because of recent disappearances happening around here. But mainly because our neighbor Savo got one and won't stop raving about it. He left for vacation right after installing it. Said it has a built-in surveillance systems and all. Guess he wanted to keep an eye on things while he's away. Well, I hope you enjoy setting it up. Thanks for the directions, Marco. No problem. And if you need anything, I'm just a house away. You're 2 houses away, dumbass. Oh, my. Oh, you said, actually, no, I'm lying. You are 1 house away. My fault. Okay. 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 This must be it. Fuck you. Is there, can I do sensitivity? Is there sensitivity? That's better. Ooh, my lady. Ooh. Fuck. The backyard. Why the backyard? Okay. The flower pots. Flower pots. Flower pots? Flower pots. Yeah. Oh, I got it. I'm fucking retarded. Ooh, my lady. Ooh, my lady. Oh. Alright. Light. Light. Light? Okay. They did say it was a smart house. Read note on fridge. Check the mailbox, water the plant, throw out the trash. Press Q, toggle on. finish, help yourself. Okay, bet. Just like home. No. Oh, I gotta explore all the rooms. I bet. Make sure no one's in this bitch. Oh, where's the light? Where's the light? Where am I? Where am I? Oh. Where's the light? Why is it so loud? Where's the light? Where's the light? Fuck it, man. What's this? I guess there's no light, man. Fuck it. Where there's light? Oh, this is a restroom. Where's the light? Oh. Ah. I see. Alright. Hey. Big ass house, man. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. Horror 101. The Joker? Man, get your ass out of here, man. Get your... I'm sorry, that was good. Let me... Hold on. Oh, fuck. Wait. Hold on. Alright. I bet. Little computer. Alright. Says do not answer. I'm not fucking in. Stop! I ain't doing that. I ain't. Nah, I'm good. You gotta check. I just gotta check the mail. Oh. I'm sure missing house sitter. Oh no. Oh. Ooh. Grab water from the garage. This is the garage. Oh, let me close that. Let me close that. I don't like that. Man, this eerie ass music. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Ah fuck. Oh fuck, I'm wasting the water. Up. Mo. What? Oh, fuck. What the fuck? Wow. Door's locked, right? How do I? Oh. Where's the bone sticking out? Alright. You know what? It's alright. Fuck! Stop! Scared the shit out of me. I'm Agent Rustalonia. Lonely. Federal Agent what are these fucking names? I need to ask you a few questions. Sure, what is this about? There have been reports of disturbances in this area. Disappearance, strange phenomena. We're conducting an investigation. Yeah, I've heard. Everyone's fine here, just taking out the trash. Are you sure? We have reasons to believe there's more to this neighborhood than meets the eye. Yeah, 100%. Just taking out the trash, you know. Alright, keep your eyes out and ears open. We need to get to the bottom of this. Of course, will do. Thanks, Inspector. No problem. Stay safe out there. Piece of fucking shit. Fucking scaring me. Piece of shit, man. Fuck you. Could have fucking yelling at me to stop and shit. Bro. Like, I'm so pussy. Nah. I'm gonna go over here. I'm okay. You know, I don't really wanna. Yeah, I'm okay. Don't even worry about it. Who's there? You pussy! I got a fucking switch! I got a switch! What is this fucking music? I just want to eat my chips. I just want to eat my chips. What the fuck? No, why do you want me to check upstairs? Fuck it, I ain't no bitch. Alright. Alright. You're a bitch! Okay. I'm just a little sleepy. I'm just a little sleepy. Just a little sleepy. I'm just a little sleepy. Just a little sleepy. Oh. Oh. Bro, get your bitch ass. Oh. Yo, this broke ass, yo. Cereal? Fuck. Fuck is this? Fuck is this? What is this? What is this? I don't like this. There's no door. I don't like that. Why? Why do I gotta go upstairs? Why can't I stay down here? It's so cool here. It's That's the fucking restaurant. That's not the Move! What the fuck? I keep. Alright, we're fine. We're okay. He doesn't have curtains. I'm looking outside. Anyone outside? No one's outside. Where's the FBI agent? I want him back. I feel safer with him. I don't like that channel. Oh, I fell asleep. Oh. Oh, it's 2:43 a.m. What? What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Give me the cereal. Give me the cereal. Give me the cereal! Where'd the picture go? I don't want to go in there. I need the picture. I need a weapon. I need a weapon. Give me this book. What does it say? How to kill a... Oh. Fuck it. Who you think you is, cuz? Who you think you is, cuz? What was that? Who clapped? Who clapped? Why are you clapping? Stop clapping! Now you think you want that, right? You think I'm some type of hoe? You have a hoe? I know, bitch! I know, bitch! I'm a bitch! No, we're gonna stop this, okay? We're gonna have a good time. Oh, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I didn't mean it! I didn't mean it! I didn't mean it! Let me get out! Where am I? I got a fucking picture! I have a fucking picture! Where are you? I'll kill you, bitch! I know how! Ah, fuck. Can I just jump out with him? Like, why do I gotta be out? What even is this picture? I don't wanna know. Give me the picture. Give me the picture. You ain't never seen a real thug though. You ain't. Oh, turn on. You ain't never caught a fade with a real thug though. You ain't never caught a fade with a real thug though. No, no. What do you mean it's locked? What do you mean? Why is it locked? Why? Why is it locked? I hate this game. 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 You in here? You in here? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? You being pussy now? You pussy now? You pussy. Why is up? Why is it dark again? Nope. No. Nope. Okay. Okay. Seems everything is fine. Everything's fine. I don't want to go back upstairs. What the fuck did I miss up here? Rubber ducky. You what? Yeah, man, I'll take your rubber ducky. Ow. Ah! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Where am I? Where am I? You're a bitch. You're a bitch. What? Pull up. Weave! Ah! Weave! Fuck! Let me out! Neighbor! What the hell was that? I need to get far away from here as possible. Neighbor! Ah. I kept running. Yo, fuck. I kept running until I reached the nearest police station. While investigating the authorities, I found Marco's lifeless body in his house. Meanwhile, Maximin's remains were found stuffed in the trash bag outside his house. There's neighbor Savo had disappeared under similar circumstances. His remains have yet to be found. Despite the eerie scratches on the walls and my harrowing account, no trace of the creature was discovered. The case remains unsolved, leaving an unsettling mystery behind. You're a bitch! There's a sequel?
So you hear what the captain said earlier? Rumor has it
I'm gonna play the sequel. I'm gonna play the sequel. Wow. Wow. Chat, that was fire. Thank y'all for watching. That was fire. Thank y'all.